Hello everyone. Today shall discuss exercise 6.1 question number 2C. In triangle XYZ, YL is an altitude in the exterior of the triangle, right? Let us draw a triangle first. Let us draw a triangle. Here we are taking a triangle like this. Here you see we are taking a triangle like this. We change the color of this line, the yellow, right? And take another line. Take another line. Right? Let us take another line here also. Here we have taken a triangle, right? Now, if we write first, take the name of the triangle as XYZ. This is X, this is Y, and this is Z. First of all, we extend this XZ. Let us extend this with the help of a scale. Let us take one scale. This is our scale. With this scale, we will extend this one. Here extending this line, right? And let us, the name of this line is XZ and P, right? Let us take this one as P. This is P, right? Now we draw an altitude on the line XZP. Altitude means 90 degree on this line XZP, right? Then now let us take and compass. Let us take a compass here, and we will take the altitude here, right? Here you see I will making the altitudes. From here, we will take 90 degree on ZP or XZP, right? Let us take an arc here. Let us take an arc. Take this pointer on Y and let us take an arc. Right? Now let us take an arc here. Right? Now again take this pointer here at point P and take another arc here, right? And take this pointer at this point, Z point, and take another arc, right? Now if we draw, this will be altitude on this line, right? With the help of scale, take the scale first. Here you see, if I take this scale and draw the line, this will be perpendicular on this line. Now if we draw a line here, then this line is perpendicular on this line, right? Let us draw. Let us take the point. The point here is YL. YL. This point is L, right? Therefore, you can say that YL is an altitude in the exterior of the triangle. The triangle is X, Y, Z, and this point L is on the exterior of the triangle, right? This altitude YL is in the exterior of the triangle, right? Therefore, we can say that in triangle XYZ, YZ, YL, L is an altitude. YL is an altitude. YL is an altitude in the exterior of the triangle. In the exterior. In the exterior of the triangle. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.